Clay Cliffs, a natural wonder of New Zealand. Introduction. Tucked away in the heart of New Zealand's South Island, the Clay Cliffs of Ōmarama are a geological marvel that attracts visitors with their striking formations and dramatic landscapes. These towering pinnacles, shaped by natural forces over millions of years, create an otherworldly scene that feels almost surreal. For travelers seeking unique and breathtaking sights, the Clay Cliffs offer an unforgettable experience. Formation and geological history. The Clay Cliffs are composed of layers of sedimentary rock and clay that have been continuously shaped by erosion. These cliffs were formed around 1 to 2 million years ago during the Pleistocene epoch, when glacial rivers deposited layers of silt, gravel, and clay in the region. Over time, shifting tectonic activity and the erosive power of wind and water sculpted the landscape, leaving behind the jagged and towering formations visible today. The cliffs display a variety of earthy colors, ranging from pale beige to deep ochre, with streaks of white and gray adding to their dramatic appearance. The distinct vertical ridges and sharp peaks result from the continuous process of erosion, which removes softer sediments while leaving behind harder materials. This ongoing natural transformation ensures that the cliffs will continue evolving for centuries to come. Location and how to get there. The Clay Cliffs are located approximately 10 kilometers, 6 miles, west of Ōmarama, a small town in the Waitaki district of New Zealand's South Island. The cliffs are situated on private land, but visitors can access them by paying a small fee at the entrance. To reach the Clay Cliffs, travelers must take Quailburn Road, which branches off from State Highway 8. The last few kilometers of the journey are on an unsealed gravel road, which can be rough and dusty, especially during dry weather. While the road is manageable for most vehicles, caution is advised, particularly for those in rental cars or low-clearance vehicles. The dust can reduce visibility, and loose gravel may make driving slightly challenging, so visitors should drive slowly and carefully. What to expect and visiting tips. Upon arrival at the Clay Cliffs, visitors are greeted by an awe-inspiring sight of towering spires and deep ravines. The entrance to the site requires a short walk from the parking area, with a well-trodden path leading toward the formations. The hike is relatively easy but involves some uneven terrain, so wearing sturdy shoes is recommended. A typical visit to the Clay Cliffs takes about 30 to 60 minutes, depending on how much time visitors spend exploring and taking photographs. The best time to visit is early in the morning or late in the afternoon, when the sunlight casts striking shadows and enhances the cliff's rugged beauty. Midday visits can be quite warm, and the lack of shade means visitors should bring sunscreen, a hat, and plenty of water. For photographers and nature enthusiasts, the Clay Cliffs offer fantastic opportunities to capture the raw beauty of the landscape. The formations look especially stunning under different weather conditions, from clear blue skies to moody overcast days that add an extra layer of drama to the scenery. Nearby attractions and activities. While visiting the Clay Cliffs, travelers can take the opportunity to explore other attractions in the Ōmarama region. The town is known for its hot tubs, gliding activities, and scenic beauty. The Ōmarama Hot Tubs offer a relaxing way to unwind, with private pools filled with naturally heated water, set against a stunning mountain backdrop. For those interested in adventure, gliding in Ōmarama is a must-try experience. The area is famous for its perfect gliding conditions, with strong thermals and breathtaking views of the Southern Alps. Several operators offer tandem gliding experiences, providing a bird's-eye perspective of the region's landscapes. Another nearby attraction is Lake Ōhau, a stunning alpine lake that offers opportunities for fishing, hiking, and photography. The lake is surrounded by rugged mountains and offers a peaceful retreat for those looking to enjoy nature at its finest. Conclusion. The Clay Cliffs of Ōmarama stand as a testament to the power of natural forces that have shaped New Zealand's landscapes over millennia. Their striking beauty, unique geological features, and remote location make them a must-visit destination for those exploring the South Island. By combining a visit to the Clay Cliffs with other attractions in the region, travelers can experience the best of what Ōmarama has to offer, from breathtaking landscapes to unique outdoor activities. This hidden gem in New Zealand is well worth the journey and leaves a lasting impression on all who venture there. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more outdoor adventures. Let me know in the comments if you've done this hike or if it's on your bucket list. See you in the next one.